So for the next step here, we're gonna create a perimeter expansion joint against all the walls, foam perimeterally all around the walls. We try to cover obviously every portion of the exterior of the perimeter of the floor, so we can keep the center on the tiles as close as possible. Those joints will be kept between a 16th of an inch, no further than an eighth. Let's run through the whole section that we already made, and it's ready to rock. So if you want to keep those joints in the center closed, you need to have a perimeter, then expansion joint. If you don't have it on the center, then you have to have it on the perimeter. So we give that a foam perimeterally, will keep the whole floor disconnected from the tensions on the wall. So we're gonna put that foam before we pour that self-leveling concrete substrate, because in that way we keep that concrete base also disconnected from the tensions of the wall as well. The next will be applying the primer for that self-leveling concrete.